Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basic parts. Start by laying out the chest grid and hopper lines so items flow toward one collection chest. Place chests in your chosen pattern, then attach hoppers into each chest. Make sure each hopper points correctly. Once done, run a test item through a hopper to confirm direction. You want full control of input lines before adding redstone, because misaligned hoppers cause lost items and slowdowns. Correct this now so later automation steps behave predictably. Next, build sorting modules using a comparator from the filter hopper, feeding a repeater and redstone torch to control a locking line. You set the filter by placing one stackable item in the last slot and 41 of the target item across the front slots to trigger only that type. Once set, wire that output to lock adjacent hoppers and to pistons or droppers that route items. Make sure neighboring modules are spaced to avoid redstone crosstalk. This preserves correct sorting under high throughput. Finish by connecting every sorter output into the final chest or storage row and add an overflow chest for unfiltered items. Run a bulk test by throwing mixed stacks through the input. Observe timing and adjust repeater delays so hoppers lock and unlock cleanly. If items jam or a sorter accepts wrong items, check that filter counts are exact and the comparator faces the hopper. That single fix resolves most issues. Remember, one simplified test run saves hours of debugging later.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.